For light in no come. Me plus I put him thoughts on mouse na saving all mama.
Before me don't know vaccines na bad login ball baby shoot lo all one baby.
If you are just relying on the mobile phone, invariably the network will go down right when you're trying to evacuate a patient who's going to die.
MAF Technology basically use technology to bring help, hope and healing to the remote isolated communities of Papua New Guinea. We are the bridge to the remote communities basically.
In Learning Technologies, we provide distribution of Bibles, so Bibles as in printed Bibles, audio Bibles, preloaded SD cards.
In a year, we give out for audio Bible itself about 5,000, print Bible about 5,000. It's just for 1 year.
You know, there's a plane going in there. That's their only chance of getting a Bible. So that's our priority, to get the Bible as much as we can to the remote communities.
Time me uses a radio, me said there was a presence no code in sa stop closer to. Na me sa hamamas. Mary Blomi and I will pick in also hamamas.
We supply vaccine fridges for remote hospitals, clinics, so they can store the vaccines, because most of the remote places they don't have that. So it's one services that we MAF Technologies provide.
Now solar come now, we love them some down. Episode marasin inside the sol on MAF fridge. Solar help him dalo power him na. We black give him baby shoot low weather or baby come low clinic.
Drugs, we put him in low CMP.
Papua New Guinea is a developing country, and 80% of the places have no access to communication. Recently, the mobile phone went into remote places and providing communication. Still, there are places where they still need radio for communication.
It's key as well to hearing what's actually happening in other places. So, you know, for us, we do radio skeds, and that's when HF comes into its own really, to be able to communicate readily. They always have someone on the end of the radio in Goroka, so if there's no other means of communication, you know that someone's going to answer the call.
Me play no got light here. I'm different. How me play walk. He got was man. Me give him na I'm hold him light. Give him light lo me na me walk lo mama. No got now I'm phone thoughts blow me play here. Thoughts so either phone thoughts here. Me play put him lo mouse na me play one plus so me play save him mama now. So la light he come lo genia. I'm helping me play go through save him all mama. Some heavy come up lo kind of some carry him na losing plenty bruto this like because lo me play got light. Me play spiti go come na make him walk lo all lo save him all na is like kind so. And by me talk big play thank you blow me lo. MAF Technology lo you play come na set him solar light blow me play.
Our future is we're looking at renewable energy. We're also looking at how can we remove ourselves from doing it and enabling others to do it. And then we are looking beyond the horizon. What's out there? How can we reach other nations? MAF has a wide range of programs in many parts of the world. So how can we use that network that has been established to also use technology to bring help, hope and healing? We are doing that so that we can advance in technology and also help those that need help in the remote isolated communities that we are serving, so that help, hope and healing can continue.